As the world scrambled to battle a pandemic that is costing millions of lives and has already infected over 80,000 people in Africa, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa quickly stepped up the country's fight against the coronavirus.
We are calling on all South Africans to wear a face mask whenever you leave home. Our clothing and textile industry, including small businesses, are gearing up to produce these masks on a mass scale.
That wasn't the only bold measure Ramaphosa took. He called the military into action, ordering the deployment of 73,000 troops to enforce a lockdown. The country has also been aggressive in testing, accounting for about 1/3 of all coronavirus tests in Africa. It has the highest number of cases with more than 12,000 South Africans infected. The lockdown prompted protests and some deadly clashes with security forces. But after 2 weeks into the fight with the virus, Ramaphosa began to ease restrictions on May 13. On the other hand, Tanzanian President John Magufuli has focused his attention on different targets: public health officials and the international community. Magufuli, who used to teach chemistry, has been skeptical of the virus and has echoed conspiracy theories. On live television, he told the nation that the country's national laboratory had inflated coronavirus numbers. He even sent samples of fruit to be tested for the virus as a way to expose false positives.
When we took a purple sample for a COVID-19 test, we labeled the sample as Elizabeth Ann, age 26, female. The result came out positive. This means those fluids inside the purple are coronavirus positive, something which is totally insane.
The country has been criticized for its secrecy in reporting cases. Even the cause of death of the country's justice minister has been cloaked in mystery. While in Uganda, President Yoweri Museveni said scientists had learned from past public health crises like AIDS and Ebola. The key, he said, is to determine the most common means of transmission and block it. On May 7, Uganda mandated that people wear masks in public.
You have a mask because it is riding on the droplets, the breath of the infected person. If you block it, then you block it. That's why I would like you to put on the masks all the time.
When asked about the health of the economy, the president assured Ugandans that his administration's priority is to save lives.
There's no way you can compare that so many people should die so that we make money. No, the money can wait. Money is there even tomorrow. So really there's no comparison. You don't compare the uncomparables. There's no comparison. With life, we go for life first, and then economy later will come later.
Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari has probably been touched more personally by coronavirus than any head of state. On April 17, his chief of staff died from the disease. Like other leaders, he enforced a lockdown but began easing it on May 4 in key areas including the capital Abuja and the largest city, Lagos. Nigeria, Africa's most populous country, has the 5th highest number of coronavirus cases with just over 5,000. Buhari believes it is time to reopen key parts of the economy.
The federal government shall deploy all the necessary human, material and technical resources to support the state in controlling and containing the pandemic.
These differing impacts in several countries highlight the healthcare needs and the importance of good leadership and strong government institutions when it comes to battling the pandemic. Salam Solomon, VOA News, Washington.